In the last week's analysis, we talked about that silver has taken a support and possibly once it trades about $22, certainly my target is first at 2300 and then $24 level, something I will look forward to. See, it was trading in zone and see $18 to $22 was something in which it was trading. Also, it has formed the multi-week bottom. You can see triple bottom here and then this ascent. So this was the first breakout candles, 2320 levels it has achieved. I hope you all profited. So now what to expect next week, which position you should take in order to profit? Is it going to fly? Is it going to drop? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits, as you'll be also missing the daily updates and targets which I share very early in the day with the Asia session, which sets the tone for the rest of the day. So do watch that analysis, do like, share, subscribe and comment, do press the bell icon. Let's start. First, we'll look into candlestick charts followed with indicators. Towards the end, I will give you the trading strategy for next week. Now see this. Last week we saw this was the breakout candle, couple of retracement candles, and then this breakout $22 levels or certainly be a good resistance. See, we had seen silver trading between 21-22 and this week it has given this breakout achieving 23-20 levels. So one thing is very clear, it has formed this bottom earlier, trying to reverse and retrace, and how far this can go. Now if you look at the weekly charts on silver, you'll find that certainly $24 levels is something which it may try to attempt and achieve, which is very much probable and achievable. And in fact, that beyond that $24.40 and $25 levels. So these few levels you should definitely be cautious of, as silver is trading in this long-term bearish channel. This is going to be the highs which it is trying to strike. See, we can see this time it strike these levels. It tried attempted here also, and hence $24 levels, $25 levels certainly can be expected. If not this week, probably in next couple of weeks, and in the month of December we may see silver hitting those levels. Now this is one part to it. Second part, this was the first breakout candle after a couple of retracement candles. Flat top indicates that there is still bullishness left, and potentially we may see it giving second weekly candle which may be at least half the size of the previous candle, and this indicates 24 and 24.40 levels, and in fact beyond those levels are also possible. So this is one part to it just on the weekly charts. Also remember, $22 levels are now going to remain the strongest support for silver. Till the time it trades above $22 levels, you can expect bullish momentum in silver to continue. Falling below 22, certainly it may try to swing again in between 18 to 22 zone. I don't expect this is going to happen, as it has left the station. It is trying to trade bullish. Now on the daily charts, 21 had given it the support, and then it has left the station 3 candles and it has achieved $23 levels. Now see how silver has traded, or you can say fared so far. It is trying to trade in this bullish channel. Now this bullish channel is, you can see the bottom of this channel for next few days are going to remain at around 2200. So possibility exists that it may try to attempt and achieve 2380, $24 levels before it looks forward to any retracement, and then 2240, 50 it may try to achieve and stay bullish. So one thing, if it stays bullish for next couple of days or midweek, probably $22 levels is certainly going to remain a very good support. And even if it drops, $22 levels are certainly going to remain a very good support, and hence you need to remain cautious with the short entries there. Now look at one part of it. See the retracement and the rise, 2 candles, 4 candles, 4 candles, and see this is trying to create a curvature out here. So first thing is, let it break past 2320 and then 2340. If these two levels are taken in silver for next week, you can stay long, and definitely we may see 2380 and $24 levels to be seen in this week itself. Beyond that, we are looking at 2435, 2475 and $25 levels very soon possible. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. Now this is on the daily charts. Let's have a look at the monthly charts now. First observation on the monthly charts, look at this previous month's candle, and from where did it start? Almost at $19 to 22. 2240-2250 levels. So almost $3.50 of move it has shown in just single month. And now this month it started with the support at $22 levels, which indicates that in fact if you expect half the candle size of the previous month, $24-25 levels, 2400-2500 levels should not or cannot be denied. It may try to attempt and achieve those levels. Now also look at this, see it is already taken the bullish shape and probably at least 24-25 levels should be seen. 2500 or $25 levels are now going to be the next major milestone for silver, which is going to be an extremely good resistance for silver, and beyond that it may try to fly high. Now one must look at it also on the monthly charts. You will find silver trading in this channel, and the highs of this channel are also situated at $25 levels, and hence these levels can be achieved. You have to remain very cautious, as we had seen few bullish candles in the recent part. It may try to retrace a bit before trying to rise, but till the time it trades about 22, certainly it will sustain. I will be 80% bullish, 20% bearish. Below $22 levels till 21 I will be 40%, or rather I will say 50% bullish till $21 levels, and I will be turning 100% bearish if it breaks below $21 levels. So remember these words, these are strong words down there. Now this is on the charts. Let's have a look with the help of the indicators. What are the indicators? Indicators on the daily chart suggest 20 period moving average at 2140. This is going to be good support. 2200 the next support level, and then $21 level. So this zone is very important for silver as of now. Second observation for silver, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands. Definitely the next week we may see the Bollinger Bands expanding a bit. However, there could be a pullback which might bring it till towards 2240-2200 levels, and then the rally may resume from there. So this is second observation. Next, the directional movement divergent and bullish. The stochastic has come back to the overbought levels. The variance is still lagging. It indicates that it can sustain the bullish momentum for a little while before it tries to take a drop, and hence this also makes 2380 levels, $24 levels as a good resistance level on the upside. Now look at the MACD. This is divergent, this is bullish, this is again looking upwards. It has taken a turn from here, it has crossed over, and it is trying to achieve the highs here. So probability exists that it may achieve the highs before it tries to converge. This is extremely divergent. At the same time, the RSI is overbought, and hence this crossover, this bullish crossover, the overbought levels in silver are seen after long time now, and hence this also suggests that there could be a probability that sustaining the overbought levels a little, we may see a drop later. But remember, a rise, extreme rise on the upside achieving $24-25 and then a retracement of 50 cents or a dollar hardly means anything. It is still remains bullish, and hence it is you can conclude that it is trying to take a bullish turnout here. Now look at the weekly charts here. On the weekly charts, the 100 weeks average is situated at 2350, 2380 levels, and the 50 period support at 22 and the 20 period support at $20 level. So see, it is trying to converge crossover. First crossover we will see from the 20 and 50 period moving average, and then if it continues to stay bullish, trades past 26, you may see the 100 period crossing over also. Also look at the directional movement. It has taken a bullish cross out here. You can say it is happening after few more, you can say little longer time. Last time we saw it trading bullish was this time earlier there in 2022, in between January to April zone. Now it has taken this bullish crossover after long. Look at the stochastic on the weekly chart. It has again come back to overbought levels. Silver hardly achieves those levels. It was a time in 2020 when it has seen these overbought levels on the weekly charts. Next part is the MACD has taken a crossover, and this is looking upwards, this is looking divergent. This appears to take a bullish turnout here. We may see few more bullish candles here in silver. Stay cautious. 24-26 levels cannot be denied. RSI looking upwards here, indicating bullishness. And if you look at the monthly, similar is the observation on the monthly chart. The 20 months average situated at around 22, 40, 50 levels, and then 40, 50 and 100 period moving average are far below. This time it is trying to take a crossover. Let's see if it does and sustains the bullish momentum. But also if you look at the crossover, this is a bullish crossover, and after sustaining bearish for a little while, now this is trying to give you a bullish cross. See, the stochastic has taken a vertical rise, and whenever it has seen a vertical rise, you can see this was the time when with couple of greener candles it has achieved overbought levels, and then the retracement with a slighter move has happened, but it still remained in the bullish territory. Likewise, it has taken a U-turn and it is trying to enter into overbought levels before it tries to look forward to a drop. So month of December probably might remain bullish. You can expect 24, 25, 26 levels in silver. The MACD is trying to take a bullish crossover, which may bring silver into buy zone again, and this zone it may sustain on the monthly charts and remain bullish for near future. RSI looking upwards. So we have seen the charts, we've seen the indicators. Time for us to define the strategy and conclude the levels for next week. And in the meantime, I write down the levels for you. Yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the right moves, identifying the right entry and exit points, you should join my mentorship batch. The next batch, 18th batch, starts in first week of January. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Also, you can be part of my signals group where trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can benefit. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are the ones mentioned in the channel and video description. Remember, do note the exact words and alphabets written in the contact details, else fraudsters and imposers have taken my name, taken my identity, taken my logo, everything, and they are. Remember, nobody can give you a 100x 10x return in few hours, few days. Do not get trade, please. There is no such investment scheme in the world who can do it, and also those who can do it will not ask money from you, and hence you have to remain very, very cautious. So reach out to me for more details regarding my Telegram and training, my signals and training program. Now next week, where to buy, I will recommend you to buy at 23.25, and then you can expect 23.40, 23.60. 23.50 is also the near term levels, but then 23.50, 2360, these are the two levels you should note down, very, very important here. 2360, and beyond that we can expect 2380, 2410, 2440, and then in fact we may see $25, and beyond that sky is the limit. $26 levels can be seen. We had discussed this last week. We are seeing this in monthly analysis every time. First zone was $18 to $20, then 18 to 22. This is an expanded zone. Now it has switched the zone from 22 to 24. It may attempt 24 at least, and then in fact it can go to the second half for 26. So 18 to 22 was the first zone. Now it is trying to trade between 22 to 26. Let's see if it sustains this zone. On the downside, where you should take a sell opportunity, you can sell at 2290 levels only. Below that you can expect 2280, 2270, and then 2250 levels as the major support. Below 2250 you can again expect, you are looking at 2230, $22 levels, which is going to be a maximum support, and in between $21 and $22. I don't see that silver might break this level again, but these are markets, anything is possible. What I see, markets may not see, and hence $21 is the good support. Below that it may crash. Sky is the limit on the downside. Hence take your trades accordingly, take your positions accordingly, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day and trading week ahead. Thank you.